Hello and welcome. So today we're just going to have a quick look at these cheap jar openers that we've got off Amazon. They're just a couple pounds each. They do vary in price, and from different suppliers you can get the different colours. I've got a couple of these at different prices, and the only real difference is the colour and kind of how long it takes to get to you. So with this one here, the first one, very basic. You can see you've got your different sizes. Essentially the outside is just a plastic kind of shell with a rubberized interior here. So the idea is that it kind of just fits on top like that and gives you a bit more grip. So it's a bit too big. You can put it on the slightly smaller one here, and then it just gives you the grip. So it's pretty good. The other one is kind of this silicone mat cup thing. So it just kind of sits on top and lets you grip it. Unfortunately I don't have any stuck jars to test out. I think when I do I'll make a video about that. Essentially they're pretty good. Pretty basic. What I have done in the past is use the cup to kind of grip the jar itself, and then use the other one to get the lid when it's been really stuck. Okay. Yeah, so that's it.